Welcome to Fall Chiropractic. I'm Dr. Brian Fall. Yes, I am a board-licensed chiropractic physician, but you can call me Brian, and I'll explain why in a moment. But first, let me introduce you to something that is unique, that is a science, an art, a philosophy, and not very well known. You see, there are people that have been to chiropractors for years, thinking they know what it's all about, and I have found that most don't. I don't want to be disagreeable, but I do want you to understand the facts, or the truth. You see, the fact of the matter is we don't duplicate medicine or massage or physical therapy or nutrition or osteopathy or any of these other things. Chiropractic is uniquely distinct. No, we do not diagnose or treat pain or disease. What we do is look for a spinal bone that is out of place. A bone that is out of place significantly enough to squeeze off the brainstem or the spinal cord, then blocks off nerve impulses from the brain to the tissue cells of the body. If in fact the body is robbed of those life-giving nerve impulses, the brain can no longer coordinate the cells, organs, and tissues, and health declines. It becomes disorganized, and life, vitality, energy, growth even, can all be stunted. Yes, you could have any one of more than 1,000 different symptoms, but all these symptoms are caused by dysfunction in your body. Now, when we have dysfunction, should we do something with drugs or surgery, maybe cut a piece out or drug the body up? Well, that's why we have so many people in the hospital and people that are so full of potential dying earlier and earlier. Let's not do that. Every human being is a world of potential, a masterpiece. Don't waste your potential or the potential of your kids. You are in the right place because chiropractic essentially addresses human potential, as we'll explain. No, chiropractic does not treat symptoms, pain, or disease. Symptoms are often a sign that your body is hard at work. Pain, well, that can keep you from doing more damage to the injured site. Inflammation, that often is a sign that your body is carrying more nutrients to the injured site. Instead, we are going to locate and correct bones out of place. That's what we call a subluxation, perhaps the most important term we'll talk about at this little talk. This will release pressure on your spinal nerves, opening up the life channels for your brain to better regulate your 70 trillion cells. Then the body can heal itself again. After 10 years in college and over 12 years in practice, I never cease to be amazed with the power that is locked up in you. 2.5 million cells per minute are replaced in your body. If we maintain those life channels long enough with the follow-up visits, then the body can start rebuilding itself from the inside out versus the outside in thinking, with a potion for every emotion and a pill for every ill. Why do many of my patients call me Brian? Well, that's because within you is the smartest physician in the world. It knows how much of each hormone you need, how to knit a bone back together, even how to rebuild normal healthy tissue. No doctor knows how to do that, no matter how smart. So let's stop guessing and start trusting the doctor within you. Let's find and correct those nerve blockages, releasing the flow of health and healing messages, and that will restore function and performance in your professional life, your relationships, even your leisure activities. A healthy mind and a healthy body need constant contact through that healthy spine that has been neglected for so long. With just a little time and effort, you and your entire family, and please get your entire family checked as I do my own, but you and your entire family can be doing something today that you will reap the effects of for many, many years to come. We practice a very comfortable, state-of-the-art adjustment approach that we individualize to every individual. We help, we do not hurt. In a moment, I will be with you to ask some questions and to answer any questions that occur to you. And then we'll do a thorough exam, including a state-of-the-art spinal thermography to assist me in locating and detecting your subluxations. Then we will perform a very specific, focused adjustment. Don't worry, it's gentle. We see newborns on up to people in their 90s. Then, if you've not already, we will ask you to watch an online spinal wellness class before your follow-up visits. It is a pleasure and an honor to work with you. We thank you for giving us the opportunity to be of help. We will be with you shortly.